Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase, how you can change an account's bandwidth limit in a CPanel with WHM. So here we go. Thank you for Qualo.com provide us this article. How you can change an account bandwidth limit. You have to find the account function. Here we go. Then select limit bandwidth usage from the menu. So this is the account functions. Then under account functions, try to search limit bandwidth usage. Click it. Then you can choose an account by selecting its domain or user from the list. This one, for example, click the limit or bandwidth limit. Then change the monthly bandwidth limit using the text field. The value should be in megabytes, or you can use unlimited. Then click change. That's it. The account bandwidth limit has been changed successfully. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the next button below. See you in the next video.